What is up, guys? Lester Diaz here. This is a different type of video from the type of videos that I usually make. But I wanted to address some of the comments that I received on my past videos, some of the videos that I've created a few months ago, talking about how to make money with Facebook. And the thing is, there's a few skeptics out there that say that you can't really make money with WordPress and Facebook, that you can't make money with content marketing anymore. And that is not true. In fact, I want to show you proof that I still make money on a daily basis, that I can make 200, 300 or more per day using Facebook alone. That's not even counting affiliate marketing sales or Google AdSense or any other type of monetization. So I want to show you that it's truly possible to make money with Facebook. And for those of you who don't believe, then I can't really do anything to try to convince you of anything, because my whole purpose with this channel is to give you information, to provide value and share my experience on what I have learned over the past few years trying to make money online, because I did struggle for a few years where I didn't make any money. The one thing that I learned trying to make money online is that if you don't have an audience, if you don't build a brand, you're not going to make money. Whether that's a blog or a YouTube channel or a Facebook page, but you have to build something where you have a large audience of people consuming that content. So that's exactly what I have done over the past few years. I've built pages with thousands and thousands of people. So I'm just gonna switch my camera on my phone, because I'm recording this video with my phone, to show you some of the results that I've received. So I want to show you the results for just what's possible, because I keep seeing these comments on some of my older videos of people saying that, making a few $100s per day on Facebook, it's not really possible. So I want to show you proof that it is possible, and I'm recording this with my phone. But for the 25th, I want to show you the amount, and that's $395 in a single day. And this is not a screenshot or anything like that. In fact, I'm going to switch to the 26th and I'm going to click update. You can see that was $447 in one single day with Facebook instance. The notion that this doesn't work, it's completely false. You can still do this. It just takes time. Just don't think that this is gonna be an overnight thing. It takes time to build a Facebook page to thousands of followers, and it takes money. If you want to do it fast, you have to, I gotta be honest, it takes money. You gotta invest into growing your Facebook page to get thousands of people to like your content and to visit your blog. So if you want to do it fast, investing money is the best way. But if you want to do it slow, you can try to do it for free, and it will take you some time to get there. The potential to make money with Facebook, it's there. It's not going away. In fact, I think that Facebook is just one of the biggest opportunities right now, because there's not a lot of people making money with Facebook. A lot of people are just focused on building YouTube and doing other stuff, but not on Facebook. So there's still an opportunity to make money with Facebook. It just takes time, and you have to know exactly what you're doing. But I did write a free affiliate marketing guide where I cover exactly how I did it, how you can build a Facebook page, and how to set up a WordPress blog, and if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, how you can do that as well. And it's completely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. There's no hidden fees or I'm not trying to sell you a course on how to do this. It's completely free. You can download it below in the description below. And like I said, if you want to do this, you can do it. It's the information is out there. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube showing you how to set up a WordPress blog, and I even have a few videos on Facebook ads that show you how you can set up Facebook ads to grow a Facebook page if you wanted to do that as well. So all the information is out there. You don't need to pay for that information. So no, I'm not going to release a course or anything related to Facebook instance, so don't expect any of that, because I'm not gonna do that. That's not what I'm making these videos. My whole purpose is to provide value, show you guys what's possible, how I did it, and hopefully inspire you so you can do the same exact thing. So if you enjoyed this video, Hopefully you can give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any questions in regards to this video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. It's free. I mean, you're not gonna lose anything. Now, for some of the skeptics who are watching this video, if you don't believe me, if you don't believe what I'm showing you, or if you don't believe me, I'm not trying to convince anyone of anything. So it's really up to you. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video.